Good morning, guys. So right now it's like 8:50, I think. I just went to Lowe's, picked up a torque wrench, and picked up a half-inch set. They're sitting right over there because these freaking wheels won't come off. They won't come off. Excuse me. I'm vlogging. Anyway. So if you didn't see my Snapchat last night, I got a new Corpo C and a hard dog roll bar. So we're going to try to install that today, either after my first class or later in the day. I don't really know yet. Kind of see where time goes. I'm going to try to strip most of it right now. And I can't hear him because there's a guy over here. And I picked up this cool racing harness. So, it's a G-Force. Should be dope. But yeah, we're going to do that today. Try to vlog a little bit. And if you don't follow my you don't have me on Snapchat, then it's going to be AntX805. I'll leave a link in the bio, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, let's just get to it.
She buries the skeletons like she's collecting them. Better lock up your skeletons, throw away everything. This real life, so don't wait. The time's now, so don't fake. We all just stuck here in one place, just trying to figure out what it's gonna take. We all just stuck here in one place, just trying to change the future for our own sake. Baby, open up your eyes, for it's too late. For it's too late. For it's too late. For it's too late. Sometimes when she goes to sleep, she feels like not waking up. She feels like she's in so deep.
Okay, so we got the wheels off. That's the first step because we're gonna need to take that little plastic thing off. So our car's on jack stands now. Make sure everything's good. Let's throw the soft top down. We might just have to take it off. I got the stupid glass window, and everyone's like, "Oh, you got the glass window, you're lucky." No, it sucks, because look, it's so heavy. My zipper ripped and broke, so probably just gonna take the soft top off. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to go off because I need to take all this shit off. How do we do that? I actually don't. But we'll figure it out. So far we kinda got the soft top off. I can't figure out how to get this side out and that side out. We'll figure it out, but right now it's 9:30-ish and I gotta head to class, so it starts at 10. Yeah, but I'll finish it when I get back and I'll film it. So I'll see you guys after class. What is up, guys? We are back from class, okay? So, first period of the day is over, so now I go back at 1. I gotta leave at like 12:30-ish. It's about 11 right now, so we're gonna try to get the roll bar in. Hopefully get it bolted. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see where we get. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so, long story. I didn't really film it because my battery was dead. But the roll bar is now in. Everything's bolted up in here and everywhere. Had to cut through the frame a little bit. But I just got out of my last class of the day, so it's almost 6 o'clock. It's gonna get dark soon, but I'm gonna try to attempt to mount the other seat that's over there. Yeah, let's just see what we can do. Okay, so what's up, guys, again? Sorry, I've been really bad on the filming, and it's now dark outside. But The seat, harnesses, everything is in place. I had to take out the passenger seat belt, so there's no passenger seat belt. Like I said earlier, I gotta cut some things out, but yeah, the seat looks good. Put the soft top on tomorrow. But yeah, I've just been really busy. I had to make some errands, and then this was a lot harder and a lot longer than I thought it was gonna be. But you know, the car, it's looking good. She's looking good. Yeah. So I'll probably see you guys soon in my next video. Peace.